The Beechcraft Model 18 was the first aircraft that became part of the MAP's Air Museum collection that is still at the museum. The Beechcraft Model 18, or Twin Beech as it is better known, is a 6 to 11 seat, twin-engine, low-wing conventional gear aircraft that was manufactured by the Beech Aircraft Corporation of Wichita, Kansas. The Beech 18 prototype first flew on January 15, 1937. It was continually produced from January of 1937 to November of 1969. The Beech 18 saw military service with the Army Air Force, Navy, Marine Corps, and Coast Guard during and after World War II in a total of 40 different versions. A specialized trainer version was developed in August of 1940. The cabin could accommodate an instructor and 3 student navigators, with each student having an individual chart table and instruments. In Navy service, these aircraft were designated SNB-2 Navigators. Over 90% of U.S. bombardiers and navigators in World War II received training in these Beechcraft variants. After the war, the Navy had many of its surviving aircraft remanufactured and redesignated the SNB-5. The Navy retired its last SNB aircraft in July of 1972. The airplane on display at MAP's Air Museum was built in 1943 at the Beech Aircraft Company in Wichita, Kansas. It was delivered to the Army Air Force Navigation Training School at San Marcos, Texas on October 26, 1943 with serial number 43-33316. The Beech was transferred to the U.S. Navy on December 31, 1945, and assigned Navy Bureau number 67103. Over the next 3 years, the aircraft was assigned to naval air stations in Corpus Christi, Texas, Olathe, Kansas, Norfolk, Virginia, and Atlantic City, New Jersey, followed by assignments with the Marine Corps and Army. In January of 1971, the aircraft was placed in storage at the Aerospace Maintenance and Regeneration Center located at Davis-Monthan Air Force Base near Tucson, Arizona. On August 3, 1971, the aircraft was donated to the University of Kansas and was used for a variety of research projects, mainly consisting of photo mapping. In September of 1984, the aircraft was acquired by the Military Aviation Restoration Corporation of Chino, California, and in January of 1990 placed on loan to the Combat Air Museum at Forbes Field in Topeka, Kansas. In June of that year, the Beechcraft was flown from Topeka to the Akron-Canton Regional Airport and placed on indefinite loan to MAPS.